All right, here's my hotel room. A lamp, TV, couple of drawers, microwave, get a little mini fridge, little coffee maker, nice little desk and chair to sit at, another fancy lamp, some mirrors. Here's outside looking down at the parking lot. There's an outback there. There's the tower. Another hotel. There's a Hooters over there and a keg. Another lamp and little drawer end table. Here's the heater cooler. Some more artwork. Nice big bed. Another lamp and drawer and an alarm clock. Some more artwork. Here's the bathroom. Not too bad. Big mirror. Toilet. Towels and stuff. Got a hair dryer, some tissues. Got controls for the whirlpool tub, which I'll show you now. Here's the tub with a shower, of course. And you see the whirlpool jets there. I think those are more controls for them. Some more artwork. And just an iron. Looks like a blanket, ironing board, and a safe. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching.